Please beware. Don't buy property in Ontario, particularly as an investor. If you've already got a property, well, you better get behind me, because we have no protection for property ownership rights in Ontario law, and your rights can be stolen without your knowledge. Anybody can put their name on title, and it's not a criminal offense. Now, this is the truth, and it's not a joke. Anyone can sever joint tenancy in secret illegally in Ontario. Anyone can put their name onto your home and any property without your knowledge in secret. I fought for 16 years, and I can't get anybody to support me getting the laws changed for protection, the same as they have in Manitoba and Alberta and New South Wales and a whole bunch of other places. I think even Quebec does. But the bottom line is Ontario is really, really in jeopardy here. Seniors are losing their homes right, left, and center, and nobody gives a damn. And my mother didn't find out until she was 98 years old. Now, here's the bottom line, folks. Ontario property laws are completely insane. If you were a criminal and designed them, you couldn't have done a better job, as if it was made for criminals. Now, I'm fighting for the rights of every Canadian coast to coast, not just Ontario. I am launching my own personal lawsuit. I'm paying for it. I'm not asking for your friggin' money. I'm just asking for you to get behind me so the Attorney General and the provincial government of Ontario doesn't sit there and say, "Oh well, I don't have a right to have protection on property ownership." Excuse me. I mean, come on, people. It's not a joke. Anybody can file in secret on real property, and it's banned in Manitoba, Alberta, and New South Wales. And I'm talking in secret, people. I just don't understand why I have to fight this all by myself without public or media support. It's cost me everything. I've been left homeless. I've been robbed of everything. And so was my mother and all, hundreds of other people. And it's all because we don't have proper laws to protect property ownership in Ontario. Now, I mean, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to fight to my last breath. I mean, I can't see the point of doing a lawsuit against one person who broke the law. I want the law changed. I want protection for every property owner. Now, secret filing is banned in any sane country, and why is it okay to file illegally yet in secret? You can sever joint tenancy. You can put your name on property without a person's knowledge. Now, I mean, my father severed without spousal support illegally in 1996, and we didn't know. We didn't find out, and we didn't even find out after he died what the heck happened. Couldn't get my hands on the papers. And, and the lawyers don't care. They don't bother to check and see if they're in violation of Family Law Act. But that's not the point. The point is it's not in the law. You have to notify all registered owners of any change to your title, but not in Ontario, people. And this is crazy. Now, I mean, if you steal, furthermore, property theft is not even a criminal offense. Yeah, welcome to our world here. This is not a democracy. Our court system is so corrupt, it belongs in Mexico. Anyway, property theft should be charged, and it should be a criminal offense. But I'm not even going there. All I'm asking is that all secret filing be banned, and that everybody has the right to protection in the law for property ownership rights. In other words, if somebody puts their name on title, you have to be notified in writing. That's the way it is. Okay, so what kind of a justice do we have? I've written to everybody and nobody seems to care. Well, okay, here's the bottom line. Don't buy property in Ontario. Buy in Alberta or Manitoba, where all secret filing on real properties are banned, and any change to title must be notified in writing to all registered owners. That's the bottom line, people. Wake up.